Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to be helping you learn how to add Binance Smartchain to Metamask. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to add Binance Smartchain to Metamask, the first step is to go ahead and install Metamask on your Chrome, Firefox, or even iOS and Android devices. In today's video, we're using the Chrome web browser. Click open your Chrome web browser and type in download Metamask and search. From the search result, click on this first download link and click on install Metamask for Chrome. Now, right next to the Metamask extension, click on add to Chrome and click on add extension in the pop-up. Now after you're done, click on get started, and if you already are in Metamask, you can click on import wallet and import your wallet using a secret recovery phrase. If you don't have a wallet yet on Metamask, click on create a wallet, click I agree, and now type in the password for your wallet. Make sure you've typed in the password, which is at least 8 characters, and confirm the password in the next text box by typing it again. Finally, click on I have read and agreed to the terms of use box and click on create. Before getting started, you can watch this short video to learn about your recovery phrases and how to keep your wallet safe. After you're done, click on next. Now, here is your secret backup phrase, which makes it easier for you to backup and restore your account. Remember not to disclose your backup phrases to anyone since they might get access to your funds on your wallet. Once you reveal the secret backup phrase, copy it somewhere safe, or you can also write it down in a piece of paper and click next. Now, confirm your secret backup phrases by selecting it and choosing them in the right order. Once you place it in the correct order, click on confirm, and you have successfully created a wallet on Metamask. Click on all done, and there you go. Now, once you've created your account, go to the settings page by clicking on this icon at the right corner and click on settings. Now, once you're in your settings page, go and click on the drop down at the top right corner and choose custom RPC. Now with this, you'll be able to add a new network name. Type in Binance Smartchain, enter the RCP URL in the text box and type in the chain ID. Enter the currency symbol for your Binance Smartchain. If you'd like to block any Explorer URL, you can type it in the text box and click on save. Once you do that, you'll be able to add Binance Smartchain on your Metamask. Now from your home screen of Metamask, click on your address right here at the top to copy that, and now go to a faucet page by typing in testnet.binance.org/faucet-smart. Now once you do that, paste your address in the text box right here and click on Give me BNB. After the transfer has been sent, you'll see an increase of your balance. That way you'll be able to add Binance Smartchain on Metamask. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.